Hey guys, what is up? How's everybody doing today? Comment down below, let me know how you guys are feeling. I am going to be making some chickpea curry. Now, I got this recipe off of Instagram. I got this recipe from Jessica in the Kitchen on Instagram. Check her out, she has a lot of great recipes. And I've made this recipe a couple of times, and this time I just wanted to show you guys how I did it. So let's go. For this recipe, I use garbanzo beans, coconut milk, diced tomatoes, 1 white onion, 1 lime, minced garlic, and curry powder, cumin, garam masala. Right, starting off, I added oil to my pan, added the onion and the diced tomatoes and a little bit of salt, and I allowed that to cook down a little bit. Then I added in the chickpeas and some minced garlic, and then all of the seasonings. Wyatt actually did this whole part and he seasoned it perfectly. Last ingredient is the coconut milk. I just poured that in and then mixed it up and let it cook a little bit more. So this is my favorite meal to make currently. It is so fast, so easy. And I added some of this Stonefire naan to it and I almost forgot the lime. So I had to add that to my bowl. Now you can actually make this however you want. You can add, which I should have added some spinach. And you can also make this with rice if you don't want the bread. I love the bread, but it is expensive, not even gonna lie. And I recently tried it with the rice, you guys, and it is so good. Like, amazing. So add whatever you want to add to it. This recipe is amazing. I absolutely love it.
Oh. I want to taste it.
Okay, we're about to do a taste test.
Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10.
You think it's a 10 out of 10? It's really good. You did a good job with the seasonings. You seasoned it just right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye guys.